Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I have a pretty cool one for you guys. We're just going to do a quick unboxing of these Beats Flex. I know these are nothing really new, but I got a new camera setup. It's a pretty sweet setup actually. I've got an overhead camera rig instead of just a tripod, so it should be a lot better video quality, but hey, let's see how it goes. Anyways, Beats Flex, here it is. Taking a look around the box, you guys can see it's in very small font, but if you want, you can pause that there and read it. Nothing crazy going on here. It says up to 12 hours battery life and fast charge 10 minutes equals 1.5 hours of listening. So that is cool. Let's go ahead and unbox these and see what we get inside. Now I actually already tore this off because, well, I got the idea for this video after I had already opened them, but all I did was pull this out. So this is all pretty new to me. Nothing else in the box. Set that off to the side. And here we have the headphones themselves. And it feels like, yep, this thing opens up down here. So we can set that here. And here is the fast fuel, they call it. It's just a USB-C to USB-C cable. Nothing crazy there. And then what is this? Apple Music, try it free. No need for that. Already tried Apple Music, didn't like it. Went back to Spotify. So anyways, here is how to pair it. I think we all know how to do that. Some Beats stickers for the trolls and just some stupid pamphlets that we don't really need. So we can push those out of camera view. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have in here. I bet these are the ear tips. Yes, they are. Wow. Okay. Not sure I like how they package those up, but it is what it is. Let's just pull these out of here and set them off camera view because we don't need to see that. Pull this out, and I think that is all that we've got. Okay, we've got some controls here. So in case you're wondering how to use these, this is how. Looks pretty simple. Here is the star of the show, the Beats themselves. So let's pull them out of this contraption. There we go. So here they are. This piece here is a little bigger than I was expecting. Here is the end piece. Okay, nothing crazy. These look like pretty basic headphones. Wow, these are quite large. I'm assuming this is where the battery's at. Yeah, I think so. There's the charging port on this one. Right and left. So at least it tells you which one's right and left. Honestly, nothing too special here, except this is, I think, the reason most people get these, because they wrap them around their neck and they just clip them together when they're done, which is kind of a nice move. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that's a pretty ingenious way to carry these. Keeps them from flopping around and getting tangled up. And this cable is actually pretty thick, so it should also help. So yeah, that is the quick unboxing. It doesn't come with much, but for 50 bucks, I don't know what you were expecting. Just a pretty simple pair of wireless earbuds. These are not the kind that I like. I don't like these in-ear types. I like the kind that just go in your ear like AirPods, but I'm actually curious how much radiation these give off. I stopped using AirPods because once I got my EMF reader, I was able to see how much radiation those things gave off. Just didn't feel comfortable wearing them. But these, I mean, considering they're separate here, they shouldn't give off nearly as much. So I've been using just wired headphones, like, you know, broke people AirPods, AKA earpods. But these actually might do the job. But again, I don't like these ear tips so much. But if I really do end up liking these, I will do a full review on the channel. But just right now, this is just a quick unboxing. So mostly just to check out this new rig and make sure I can dial in everything for the actual products that I review on the channel. So think of this just as a test video. But anyways, I'm going to nail stuff down once I go into post-processing, see how this turned out. I think it looks pretty good, but there are some things I want to tweak already, I can tell. But yeah, that's all I got for this video. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.